Julie Bowen, she's star of Modern Family. She says she always gets worried around Emmy's time because...
Oh, no, something has gone wrong every year. I just embrace it. One year, my kid threw up on me. And one year, I dropped my phone in liquid. And something always goes wrong, but it also happens every day. So I can't really just blame that.
So she's just kind of waiting to see what's going to happen this year.
She's cute.
Her beautiful Emmy's dress. Who knows what's going to happen? But that's happening tonight. And like I said, we would get to the VMAs. So let's just do that. Highlights from the VMAs. The videos are on our website right now, johnjaneRich.com, keyword GBG. Jay Pharoah did impressions of Jay-Z and Kanye West. And speaking of Jay-Z and Beyonce, all eyes were kind of on them as the royal musical couple who have had these rumors of a split for quite some time. There's maybe trouble in their relationship. But if you saw the couple on stage, most people would probably agree that they were basically trying to show the world they are one big happy family. After Beyonce's 15-minute medley, before accepting the Michael Jackson Video Vanguard Award, Jay-Z walked up on stage with Blue Ivy. And at the beginning of the clip, you actually hear Blue saying, "Mommy," and I think it's the cutest thing ever. And then he presents her the award.
And the recipient of the Michael Jackson Vanguard Award and the greatest living entertainer, Beyonce.
She gives him a hug, she gives Blue a kiss, she gives him a kiss, and then she accepts her award.
I'm so full. Thank you. I have nothing to say, but I'm filled with so much gratitude. I just thank God for this moment.
Did they say BLA?
So much.
Beyonce.
I love you, my beloved. I love you, my fans. I love you, MTV. I love you. Good night.
BLA.
Beyonce. Fool.
I heard beat LA.
No, they didn't.
Like anti-Lakers, just
Right.
all hanging out in Inglewood together?
Not the case. Anywho, Taylor Swift and Lorde were like besties in the audience. Like I said, all of the highlight videos and the winners and whatnot are on our website, johnjaneRich.com, keyword GBG. Now, Beyonce and Jay-Z also had some other drama. If you guys remember, I told you there was this woman who basically filed a maternity lawsuit against Beyonce saying she actually carried Blue Ivy.
Right.
Well, a judge has thrown that out, said it's dismissed. This lady had absolutely nothing to go on, nothing to argue or basis the case on. And she said, look, she had a contractual agreement with Beyonce and Jay-Z. She's the one who actually gave birth. And the judge was like, yeah, I don't think so. It also didn't help that this lady, her name is Tina Seals, she had filed at least 27 other civil actions since May against different celebrities.
Oh,
Here's what I find interesting. One of them was against Kim Kardashian, claiming that she carried baby North.
So she's crazy.
She's crazy.
Why do they let these crazy people? Why do they give them a little bit of a voice? It's so stupid. Just lets other
because
crazy people
if one person settles out of court, one celebrity settles just because they don't feel like fighting it, and the judge lets it go through, she makes money.
And the sad thing is you get a lawyer, anybody can file a lawsuit, basically.
Pariahs.
So there you go. So don't worry about that if you were worried about it, which I don't think you were. Ariana Grande, she was awesome last night at the VMAs.
She was.
She made headlines earlier this month. She has her new song. It's called Break Your Heart Right Back. And earlier, she was quoted in an interview saying, it's about a boy who cheats on a girl with another boy. And everyone was like, ooh, so your ex-boyfriend hooked up with a dude? What was that? And in a recent interview, she wanted to clear things up.
Oh, they twisted it, though.
All right, so
that is not what I said.
Break it down.
I said Break Your Heart Right Back is about a boy who cheats on a girl with a boy. I never said my ex cheated on me with a boy. That's not what I ever said. It was kind of funny. I wasn't, like, heartbroken over it. I was like, okay, word.
You weren't heartbroken over it, but the title of the song is Break Your Heart Right Back, insinuating that whatever happened kind of broke your heart. You want to get revenge. Anyway, she says it's not about her ex. It's about someone that she kind of dated here and there and everything. And so she basically is she's not going to reveal their identity. So if you were wondering what that song was about, you had heard the headline. You're not going to get anything from Ariana Grande because she's keeping that kind of tight-lipped. Also, at the MTV VMAs last night, Kim Kardashian was there with her sisters, Kylie and Kendall. Of course, they were really enjoying Jay Pharoah's impersonation, whatever.
We
That's
got
a new
you.
way of saying it. Impersonation of Kanye West. You can see those videos on our website, johnjaneRich.com, keyword GBG. Now, a new couple that could be hitting Hollywood very soon. Almost almost as random as Chris Martin and Jennifer Lawrence, which, by the way, Gwyneth Paltrow is totally cool with that couple. Robin Thicke may be dating Katie Holmes. Now, him and his wife, Paula Patton, have not filed for divorce just yet, but of course have been very publicly separated for a while now, since almost last year VMA time, right? Remember? Last year VMA time is when he got photographed, with his hand up that girl's skirt.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Nothing like that really happened this year, so we're still talking about last year's VMAs, but they are saying Robin Thicke and Katie Holmes may actually be seeing each other.
That kind of works.
What's funny is that you think about it, that was a year ago. I mean, he hasn't had a real good song since then. They tried to put some out, but they didn't do very well.
Not very well at all.
You think that you could put anything out after Blurred Lines and it would do okay?
Well, that was a good song. I don't know.
No, which one?
Blurred Lines.
Oh, no, it is a good song, but it's so big that I'm saying that anything you put out after that would do okay,
Yeah,
just
not the
because of
case.
that.
Yeah, poor Robin Thicke.
Blurred Lines was
Kind
huge.
of, but not really poor Robin Thicke if he's dating Katie Holmes because she's a cutie. On our website right now, johnjandrich.com. If you go there, type in the keyword GBG. Like I said, all the VMA stuff. But if you were over it, you already watched the VMAs, it was boring, you want to move on. There are tons more celebrities who have joined the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. You can watch their videos at johnjandrich.com, keyword GBG.